Guys, Elon Musk has recently made a big announcement which has created panic in the smartphone industry. They have announced the launch of a premium phone that is set to beat the Apple iPhone in terms of features. Actually, the reason behind this is being told that when Tesla company was in loss, Elon Musk tried to get help from Apple. But Apple also refused to meet Elon Musk, and perhaps Elon Musk remembered the same thing and they would have announced the launch of the Apple killer phone. On the other hand, Apple is also trying to compete with Tesla in electric car. Now, in the battle of these two, it will be very interesting to see who wins. Guys, who do you think will win? Do write in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and enjoy your every moment. Thank you.